Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this for sale, a Honda VFR1200 DCT. So super cool bike, this one. It is the automatic version, being a DCT, 2010 on a template, and it's done 17,374 miles from new. This one has the really nice big there comfort seat, so it's a really comfortable bike. And like I say, it is the automatic version, so no clutch on this one. So you get a big handbrake there instead, as you can't park them in gear, of course. Nice digital display, let's get that turned on. And you get the dual digital display setup and the analog dial there in the middle, and these come with ABS as well. But they're a super cool bike. I'm sure you heard it in the promo video, it does sound fantastic. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we've put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call and we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.